Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Car Culture FPY86 Q case. So this is Thrill Climbers. It comes over from One Stop Diecast. Thank you again, One Stop Diecast, for supporting the OTD YouTube channel and the case reports on OrangeTrackDiecast.com. All right, so we're going to pop this case open to see what's inside here. All right, first two cars out of the case. We have the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6. So Roman numeral VI for 6 there. Thrill Climbers. Card art is pretty awesome as usual. About par for the course when it comes to car culture. This is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution in a racing deco. You got the red paint and the white rims on this one. Very cool rally style deco on this one, I must say. It is all the way around. We've seen a number of this casting before. This one just adds to the very nice casting collection we have going of this one. So, and I think if I recall correctly, we've seen it in like a more of a plain red before, and now we get the full rally deco here. So we will look at those two together. All right, next one out of the case. We have the Porsche 914 Safari. So another one, another deco we've seen before, right? We've seen the this kind of like Rothmans, but not Rothmans, tribute livery, the Porsche 914 here on the sides. And we've seen this one on the debut of the off-road 1986 959 Porsche. Now we get it on the 914 Safari in Thrill Climbers. So another cool deco, or cool landscape here going up a dirt hill. We have, in comparison to the Eclipse, which definitely looks more on a rally course. This one looks more in a desert going up a hill. So that is number, what is that one? That one is number 205 in the series. Next one out of the case is, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. And if you've been following car culture for 2026 already, I already have the Japan Historics 5 case report here on the OTD YouTube channel. This is the 10th anniversary of car culture. Your chases are no longer all black. They are satin gold. In this case, it'll be the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. We have yet to find that one, though. But in this particular instance, this all black Mercedes is not a chase. It's actually number 505 in the series. But with the chase is going satin gold this year. Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong actually said at the convention in LA in October that it gave the team a chance to do some cars that they've been wanting to do in all black, which usually, is reserved for the new models in the case. A lot of the new models get the chase treatment. That gives the opportunity for with the chases, being these kind of car cultural tribute cars, gives them the opportunity to do these all black, versions of cars that are, just been dying for kind of a murdered out scheme here. And this one is like beyond sick looking with the black wheels. The only thing that's not black in this car are obviously the windows, and then the lights on the front, and the AMG banner on the windows, and then of course the tail lights. Yeah, that might be my favorite car out of this whole case. Very cool to get an all black car that is no longer the chase. All right, so two things here. Lancia Delta S4. This is a new casting with the new casting treatment. And it kind of seems, with the last case, the Japan Historics 5, it was the 77 Toyota Celica. And that was the one car that came window case, since we did get a chase in that case. But looks like we will not get a chase in this case, because there are two of the new casting in this case. And it is the Lancia Delta S4, not to be confused with the Lancia Delta Integrale, which was a casting that debuted in the mainland a couple years ago. This is a brand new casting. You can always check to see the brand new castings here on the base. You can see the base code is JKF JKF01, it looks like. And that should match, yep, that'll match the back of the card, JKF01. So, very cool rally car here. Lancia Delta S4 with the nice, tribute livery we've seen in the past here on a number of cars, including the one I remember most is probably the Lancia, the 037, right? The Lancia Rally 037. But we've seen it on a number of cars already from not just Lancia, I believe. There might be a few others. But that is Thrill Climbers 205 Lancia Delta S4. Last one on the case is the one that people actually seem... this box has already started appearing at Walmart, I know of. Maybe some other places here in the U.S. at retail. This last car, well, number 105 in the series, is the Subaru Impreza WRX. And like I was kind of getting at before, this is seemingly the most popular car in the case. It seems to be the one that's missing off the pegs the quickest, which, there's some good cars in this mix. I really love the Mitsubishi and the Mercedes-Benz, but you can't put it past the Subaru crowd to go crazy for this bug-eye Subaru. All yellow. You got obviously the bug-eye headlights on this one that are, part of the window piece, so you get that nice, color break without the need for a tampo. And then on the back, you have the Subaru branding, and it looks like that red should be the STI badging, so this should be an STI version of the Subaru WRX. So that concludes the Thrill Climbers. Obviously, thank you, One Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. This is the Q case. Look for it now at retail. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think are is going to be the most popular car in this case. Obviously, we have some great versions of some new cars in the S4. So, moving on from the Integrale, we got the S4. But we have some good favorites coming back with the Impreza, yellow Impreza. This rally... was it rally art, right? The rally art inspired deco on the Lancer Evolution is outstanding. And obviously another tribute livery in the Porsche 914 Safari, great one there. But I think my favorite on this case has to be the Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. If you remember, this was the red pig Mercedes, and yeah, this one is definitely I think it's a casting I've kind of collected by default just because I've liked every version of it so far, and this one is no different. This one actually probably is my favorite, even ahead of the red pig. So definitely gonna make sure that this one goes into the collection along with the rest of these. But very good mix here. Not one that's gonna make people or collectors start going crazy, I don't think, in trying to find it. But Thrill Climbers is hitting retail now. And yeah, keep your eye out because it's a pretty good mix. Thanks as always for watching. I got a bunch of case unboxings coming up here on the OTD YouTube channel. Make sure you stay tuned for those. Thanks again for watching.